What does a gorilla do? How about a monkey? Yeah, is that Dale? Yeah. What's a monkey do? What's a giraffe do? What's a giraffe do? How about a buffalo? An elephant? Yeah. Where's your tummy? Where's your tummy? Yeah. Where's your nose? Where's your cheek? Yeah. And your mouth? And your toes? You know where your toes are? Can you touch them? Touch your toes. Touch Daddy's toes? Okay. Where's your ear? Yeah. What's a tiger sound like? What's a car sound like? Yeah, very good. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? So, what's it look like when it snows? Oh, you want to vacuum? Okay, let's vacuum. There you go. Okay, get some cleaning done. Go forward. There you go. Very good. Doing very well, buddy. There you go. Make sure you get under the blanket. Yep. Oh, you need some theme music, huh? Say bye-bye.